Today's productivity pointer is on the topic of documenting your personal possessions. With millions of people working from home right now, I've heard from many that are saying that they have a little extra time on their hands right now. So this is the perfect time to make what I call a household inventory video in which you literally film all of your personal possessions. I hope you never need it, but in the event of a house fire or a theft, I think you'll be glad that you've got it. And by the way, if you happen to have any teenagers in your house, you have some built-in videographers, so turn them loose on this project and see what they come up with. So a few suggestions as you are filming your possessions. Number one, narrate as you go along, documenting an item's history, its value, or some of its features. Be careful in avoiding doing a quick scan of an area, such as a dresser drawer of clothing. Make sure that you're opening up every cabinet, cupboard, and drawer and spanning it very slowly so you can have a good idea of just how much you own of any one particular thing. If an item has a serial number, try to zoom in on that so you have that information. Items that have serial numbers would include computers, electronics, televisions. Make sure that you include all of your household appliances as they represent high-value items. So in addition to your kitchen appliances, don't forget to film your furnace, your washer and dryer, your water softener, your hot water heater, all of those types of appliances. Your garage is an area that obviously holds your vehicles, but also expensive items like camping gear and lawnmowers and snow blowers. Finally, don't forget places like your attic, a storage shed, or a crawl space where you might have some items stored there as well. Once you're done filming and documenting, upload the footage into the cloud so it is safely stored. I hope you have enjoyed this productivity pointer brought to you by Organized Audrey, where our goal is to help you get more done with less stress. Make it a great day.